Hi guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the issue of Instagram not sending a security code. So if you're experiencing difficulties receiving the security code from Instagram, then follow along with this detailed guide for troubleshooting. Stay tuned for a step-by-step instruction to help you resolve the Instagram security code sending issue. Now let's dive into the solutions together. Alright, first things first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Then navigate to your Instagram app and attempt to log in. Now, if you don't receive the security code, tap on the resend code again and check if the code arrives in your email inbox associated with your Instagram account, as sometimes Instagram may send the security code via email as an alternative. Now, ensure your phone number associated with Instagram is correct and if not, updated in your account settings. And consider requesting the security code via a different method, such as using an authentication app if Instagram offers that option. Now, after all these steps and the issue persists, then it's advisable to reach out to Instagram support for further assistance. And that's it. This step should help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem of Instagram not sending a security code. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.